What's going on, YouTube?
Alright, so as you just saw, I have acquired a new car. This is the new project. It's not too much of a project.
It's gonna be a winter beater. It's a 2005
Volvo XC70. These came, lifted from the factory in comparison to the regular V70s, if you're unfamiliar with them. Got the 2.5 liter turbocharged engine. It's a pretty decent rig. They're reliable. They are kind of torquey, so they're fun to drive. They sound good because they got the 5-cylinder in it. And it's Swedish engineering. It's comfortable. It's made for New England, especially New England winters, and that's exactly what I got it for. And from the clips that I just showed you, you can probably see it's pretty dirty. As you can see, it's not in bad shape. This fender needs to be replaced. These headlights are actually, I think, better on camera, but they're really glazed and just oxidized, not doing too well. This one's probably worse, actually. You can kind of see that. But it's also just dirty all over. It hasn't gotten the love it deserves. But that all changes today. We're gonna give it a wash. Maybe take some of these stickers off, because I'm not a huge fan of stickers. And just make it presentable. At the moment, we have a few things for it. We have some winter tires in the back, as you can see, because this is a winter car for me. So it's gonna primarily have winters. Right now it does have all seasons on it that have pretty decent tread, so I might keep them on for the time being just because it's August. There's no need to be running winter tires right now. But yeah, we're just gonna go through at a later date, do some needed maintenance, which isn't too much actually, and basically just get this thing ready to be a daily, because that's what it's gonna be during the winter time. So I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna get cleaning. Hopefully I can put a little B-roll in there so it looks kind of cool.
Alright, I lied, per usual. I did not get any B-roll of me washing the car, but I just wanted to get it done, so I did. It's still kind of dirty. It's not anywhere near clean, at least like to my standards. However, let's not show you the dirtiest part. Apparently I didn't get enough off the tailgate. But yeah, it looks pretty good. It looks a lot better now that it's cleaned up. I don't know if you can notice that, but it looks good. I didn't do any wheel cleaner or anything yet on the wheels. I'm gonna go over it with a clay bar and everything, just to make sure it's all good. But it looks like 10 times better, and all it needed was a wash. So just goes to show how much washing a car can make a difference. I'm gonna pull it into the shop. I'm gonna go over it with a clay bar. Probably vacuum out the interior as well. Make sure that smells decent, because it has this weird smell right now. It's not bad or anything, it just is weird. So I'm gonna make sure it's all good for like a longer trip or something. I don't want to be smelling weird stuff the whole time. But yeah, while I'm doing that, I'll kind of let you guys know what my plans are with the car and any YouTube videos or anything like that, I might be making with the car. So let's get to it. So I just went over this panel with the Griot's synthetic clay bar, and then this is Mother's Instant Detailer. I think, if I'm being honest, it's just soapy water. I use this when I'm just going over a car real quick. Yeah, I just wanted to kind of let you guys in on what I might be doing with this car. So obviously right now, I'm just introducing it, but in the future, I want to use this car kind of as like a demo vehicle for wild Volvo stuff. And demo, I don't mean like demolition, I mean like, just demonstration, but we got to fix all the driving this car, so once we do, we're of course going to do some all-wheel drive burnouts. It's not going to be on pavement, but it'll still be fun on dirt, snow, whatever we do. Some all-wheel drive drifting, things like that. The snow tires that I got for the car are a little bit bigger than stock, so it's going to give the car a slight lift. I want to show you guys some of the various repairs that you can do on P2s, why I think the P2 is the P2 Volvo, specifically this chassis, so this XC70, my S60, a whole bunch of other, like the V70, S80, and even the XC90. I think the P2 platform is arguably the best platform that Volvo has made to date, at least in terms of, at the moment, affordability, reliability, dependability, and just kind of all-around fun. I think it's a great platform for a lot of things, so I just want to make sure that that gets across to you guys, and especially for, when I was buying a car back when I was 16, I happened to find Volvo, and when I had that car, finances were tight. It was my car, so I was going to be the one paying for repairs and everything. And I didn't want to shell out that $100 and some odd an hour for a mechanic. Some things I had to, they were just out of my wheelhouse, but I used my first car, 99 S70. I used that car to learn how to turn wrenches. So, and it really made me fall in love with cars, with Volvo, things like that. And, I want to help you guys do that. So, whenever I'm going to be doing any repairs in this car, I'm going to be documenting it, just so that, you guys can potentially learn yourself. And if you need to do the same repair in your driveway, if your buddy has a garage, something like that, you're able to. Because this community, it's small. So there's just the downside of not having a ton of people out there for, information, like just the sheer volume of information. However, the one thing I do love about the Volvo community, because it is so small, so many people are just willing to help you, willing to help each other out. So I found it really hard to stray away just because of that fact. Anyways, I'm going to get back to detailing this thing, making sure it's all clean and prim and proper. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, we're going to be doing some more videos on this thing. The next video I'm going to be doing is showing you guys how to restore the cloudy headlights. It's actually not that difficult, and I think a lot of people overthink it, including myself, at one point. But there are tons of over-the-counter kits now that can do that job for you. And that'll be the next video that I come out with. Otherwise, look forward to some repairs, look forward to some off-roading, just things like that. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. It always helps out, especially if you want to see more content from my channel, more on the XC70, more on the S60, my T5, and the MR2. So I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Alright, so I just finished clay barring the car. It actually looks really good. This car cleans up surprisingly well. You can tell. The paint's actually in pretty decent shape. Definitely can't tell any defects on camera, or at least that well, which works in my favor. But I mean, this thing's actually pretty clean. It's not bad at all. I was going over it, and it's dirty. Don't get me wrong. This car is filthy. The previous owners clearly didn't, just show the paint a ton of love, which super common on these cars.
it's a family wagon. It's not like anything special, so can't blame them. You know, I'm not going to be showing it a ton of love, but you know, I do like my cars to look nice, and I think it goes a long way when you're driving around in a clean car. So I like to keep them clean, but that's just me. Otherwise, you know, it looks good. Like, I still need to clean the glass. I need to do the interior. I need to do the headlights. As you can see, I still haven't done those, but that's going to be a fun little video. So just wanted to give you guys that quick update because I was actually pretty surprised at how it came out.